So today we're going to learn what inductive reasoning is. So I'll give you the formal definition. Inductive reasoning is when you find a pattern in specific cases / situations, and then write a conjecture for the general case. So what this means is that you identify or you find there's a specific pattern, something that keeps happening in specific situations, and then you write an educated guess for the general, like a general statement for the general case, basically covering what you've seen and what you expect to continue to happen based on what you've seen. So that's essentially what inductive reasoning is. It's a pattern that you've noticed that keeps happening, and then you write a conjecture for the general case, saying that this is what happens, and I tend to see this is what happens. So I have a very good example here. So for instance, you see the sun rose in the east on Monday, and then you see rise again in the east on Tuesday, and then you see rise again on Wednesday in the east. So you make a general statement based on those specific situations that the sun tends to rise in the east. Now, that's not a fact. It's not 100% proven. But it's a pattern that you've noticed, so you make a general statement of what you expect to happen tomorrow. Now, if you go back to our last video, we learned what a conjecture is. So it's important that you go back to the last video to understand a conjecture before you come to this lesson. But essentially, that's what inductive reasoning is. It's based on specific situations that you've noticed that keep repeating, and then you make a general statement of what you expect to keep happening. So that's inductive reasoning. If this was helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and comment.